So I'm trying to do the 8 practical, that is recruitment management. I'm not sure about this, but let's try. So the first thing, the modules that we are going to need are documents, sign, uh, recruitment, employees, expenses, appraisals, and website, and invoicing also. Okay, invoicing and expenses. Okay, now after selecting all the modules, we have to go to so now select any theme. Okay, now select any one theme from here. See, sometimes okay, now we will go to employees section and we will create few employees from there. My internet connection is slow, I think. Okay, now here from here I will quickly create the 3 employees. First is Mr. Khanna. I am giving him his position as manager, and the department, this is similar to, department is R&D. This is similar to uh, practical 7 also, because in that also we have to create this. So I'm not going to make a separate video for practical 7 but for practical 7 only this much is there. You have to create here. The manager will be Sikandar. Right now I am the Sikandar 27 is the CEO, and now tax, you here are all employees because manager is also an employee, and second is manager. Now you have to fill these details which is not necessary, so just I'm going through it. I'm just skipping it. Again I will create another Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma is the team leader, so just from here only create the position, all employees and team leader. And manager, it work under Mr. Khanna. Okay, save, cancel, save. Okay, now one more employee will create, which is okay. For example, he works in R&D and he is an employee. So tag all employees and save. Now what you have to do is you have to, after creating all these things, you have to go to website. In the website module you will go to website, and there you will click on new and new job offers. Click on the install thing, it will get installed. So now after installing, again this menu will come. Click on new job offer and just, yeah, and go to give any title like developer or anything, developer, and click save. Now you will go to recruitment, and from here you will go to job description. So suppose you are hiring employee, you want to hire new employees, so you will just publish this and done, you are done. Now you have to go to, now suppose I'm on the website, now I'm applying here. So now name is Sibi and email is uh, cb@sk.com, and phone number is anything, and these two fields are not compulsory, you just submit it. Once you submit it, you will go to recruitment model again, uh, and in the recruitment model you will see that this in the employee section So it is published and the one application is there. You will click over here. Now again there are stages over here. Now you will just drag it to contract proposal. You just double click over here, and from here you will now this is the contract proposal. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to go to sign module. From here there is a template, sign now. Click on the sign now module. So now the contract, we are signing the proposal. And who is the employee? Sikandar only. It will automatically come. It should be some CB at the rate. Actually, the name of the employer should come here. Employee should come here for, like, in our case now it is CB and CB. Uh, and sign now. So what it will do? It will send a proposal to CB, and you have to fill this details like CB, employee name CB, date is 3/3/2020, address is lost. So anything you can write, and at the end you have to write a signature over here. You can draw it and adopt a signature and date 3/3/2020. Now yes, we are done. Just sign this, just download this PDF just for your okay, this is downloaded. So signature is also done. Now what next? Click on next. Okay, and click on next. When you click on the next, so this is done. Now you have to again go to actually it is very complicated. You have to just switch from one module to other, but now you have to go to job applications, job positions. You have to go to recruitment, and from here in the employee section only, since you have signed the proposal, so you will just create an employee of it, because now the proposal is signed, and you will write the basic information. It will work under Mr. Sharma, and yeah, only this much is there. Now save the thing. Now what you have to do is you have to okay, also department you have to select R&D, and you have to go to contracts. In the contracts you will create new contract. Reference is employee contract, employee contract, and from here all these details are already there. You will write the start date, which is tomorrow, and end of the trial period is, I think, at the end of the month. You can write anything, and the responsibility of HR. And now what you have to do, you have to give the salary information. Like suppose it's 10,000 rupees initially, and now what you have to go do, save it, signature request. No, you don't have to do this thing. Now you are done. Now you have to go to, now this when you go to employees, you will see that now CB is also an employer. Now you have to go